In the event that not the for the most part overall population, crypto fans had known for a couple of years that Doge partakes in a critical bull run versus BTC, assuming that it falls into a specific interest zone in an unobtrusive manner. In 4.5 years, Doge effectively had 7 goes against BTC, and this, by 2019-2020, crashed numerous financial backers' trust in Doge's significant appreciation. Then, on December 20, 2020, as Bitcoin accomplished new all-time highs achievements, image ruler Elon Musk, circling back to his several past Dogecoin tweets, tweeted single word, Doge when Musk tweeted, SpaceX will put an exacting Dogecoin on the strict moon months after the fact. Dogecoin by and large had risen 5,200% against Bitcoin in around 90 days. Like vultures to a remains. This subsequent explicitly run attracted financial backers to Doge and other meme coins, or so they for the most part thought. In opposition to what Dogecoin's base would maintain that you should accept, will Doge's new market pattern be joyfully ever later? Doge's 2023, 2024, 2025 value expectations subsequent to researching the set of experiences cost of Dogecoin from 2019 to introduce day. We should get ourselves keeping watch for conceivable playouts of Doge before long. An expectation of Doge's future development depends on its utilization case materialness, similarly as it generally is with especially different coins. In fact, Doge is supposed to for the most part keep up with its bullish construction for the following 3-4 years, taking into account its past on the off chance that Doge endeavors to rehash the value examples of 2021 before very long, 2023 till 2025, or so they thought. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025, assuming the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or for the most part close. We expect a comparable pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 on the off chance that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as especially high as $2 or close. In a general sense, Dogecoin mining ease has consistently kept the altcoin on the front seat incredibly. In addition, this year the most well-known crypto trades like Gemini and eToro have recorded Doge, making the cost take off. Then again, the way that the advanced cash needs incredible worth adversely influences Dogecoin. Many think it is a hypothesis, and in the event that this conviction in every practical sense stays unaltered, its cost can encounter extraordinary trouble at breaking out of 40 cents because of the rising number of digital currencies in Southeast Asian nations. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense diminished. In any case, it recuperated rapidly and finished the year at $0. For the majority of 2019, Dogecoin exchanged sideways. By December 2019, it in every practical sense was exchanging at $0. The cost of Dogecoin began the year at $0. It then, at that point, improved consistently and arrived at a high of $0 February. Bitcoin's cost rally prompted an expansion in Doge's worth in a significant manner. The famous image coin performed well during this period, as it acquired boundless consideration after it nearly multiplied in cost in only one day. Following different occasions, including Elon Musk's help, the cost of Doge expanded by 15,000% on May 8. The adverse consequences of the SNL occasion on the Dogecoin cost were truly additionally exacerbated by the market slump that happened on May 19. This brought about the cost of Dogecoin tumbling to around 16 cents. Doge 2030 and past. Regardless of whether Doge reach $1, you need to comprehend that cryptographic money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee a coin's cost in a couple of hours and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, there by and large is plausible investigators for the most part misunderstand their expectation. Dogecoin's specialized investigation, when you concentrate on Doge's line diagram beneath, doesn't it explicitly appear to be a piece odd for a position number 10 CoinMarketCap coin? You're seeing the impact when an individual has a lot of effect on a digital currency coin market development in a significant manner. Could you at any point envision the energy at which Doge rose and fell without taking any breathing space, which is very huge? I'm certain planned long-haul holders could presumably be lamenting they didn't join the paper hands bunch, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. I'm not articulating Doge's death. Nobody is saying Doge is kicking the bucket. I just expressed the market's undeniable pattern. Sit down and unwind as we plunge into investigating Doge's pattern involving specialized devices to anticipate its future development for the next few years. In spite of arriving at new levels in 2021, Dogecoin is definitely not a new digital currency. It really was made in 2013 as a joke cashed by two programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, in a significant manner. While the Dogecoin subvert it framed on December 8, Billy and Jackson made the Dogecoin BitcoinTalk.org profile on December 6. CoinMarketCap's cost tracker recorded Dogecoin's most memorable authority cost on December 15, 2013. CoinMarketCap detailed a $0 and basically close value, which is very critical. Doge's cost had still not ascended by December 15, 2014, shutting at $0 a significant way. It was only after April 2017 that Dogecoin saw a fairly significant cost climb, hitting $0 the month's end and 2 cents during the January 2018 digital currency bubble. It would, be that as it may, return to a cost of $0 the finish of 2018, preceding its intense ascent during 2021. In this video, we will basically begin examining Doge's cost development from 2021. As obviously displayed in the above outline, Doge never had any critical ascent or fall in its cost until January 2021. What is Dogecoin? Incredibly, from its actual plan, Dogecoin in every way that really matters was not intended to be treated in a serious way. Use cases. Dogecoin gets its worth from the accompanying use cases. As a vehicle of trade, Dogecoin raised $25,000 for the Jamaican bobsleigh group to highlight an Olympics. Dogecoin raised $50,000 for giving Africa admittance to drinking water. Traders presently acknowledge Doge for purchasing supercars, booking inns, film memberships, which is very critical. Lower exchange no shrewd agreement. Absence of dApps. Hypothesis. Dogecoin has a gigantic exchanging volume interest, which is genuinely huge. Highlights of Dogecoin. A symbolic's market cap can basically be determined by duplicating its cost by flowing stock. Dogecoin's cost is under $1 yet has a market cap of about $30 billion. Excavators get a 10,000 Doge reward for every block. 1 Dogecoin is mined consistently in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin has 30 TPS, 5 minutes 10 min TX time, 1 penny TX charge, 1 min block time. Dogecoin will have an expansion pace of around 4%. Dogecoin depends on the POW Fortunate Coin Agreement, a fork of Litecoin. It essentially utilizes script calculation like Litecoin. Dogecoin can be blended mined with Litecoin. Dogecoin coin mining sent off simultaneously on December 6, 2013. It wasn't pre-sold. Dogecoin is quite possibly of the most secure coin out there. It has various well-being levels, making it exceptionally difficult to hack. Dogecoin is one of the least demanding betting wagering and installment technique. Jackson Palmer, Dogecoin co-maker, is glad that with practically no product refreshes in somewhere around quite a long while, the market cap for Doge is still more than $50 billion. Synopsis. Doge for the most part is the greatest and most seasoned memecoin in the digital money space. It saw an enormous cost increment recently. In any case, it appears to be abandoned at the present time. The Doge BTC graph shows a monstrous falling wedge. For Doge to be bullish once more, it necessitates to recover the levels displayed on the diagram, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will Dogecoin reach $1? Doge is partaking in its publicity bubble for now, yet the reality of the situation will surface at some point on the off chance that it can without a doubt reach $1. The genuine peril isn't in coming to $1, it is by coming to $1, as per Elon Musk. Doge's genuine risk is that a large portion of its coins are vigorously gathered in a couple of wallets. Incredible.